And race on Amsterdam fast to begin Bryce got Spanish drums. And down on the inside is Gundam, then followed by Lady Diamond. Dancing tight, rising up is Speed Up Firm. Running by Darrell is So Gorgeous. It's now Amsterdam Spanish drum, followed by Dancing Tide in third. Gundam racing in fourth on the outside. Speed of Firm. Lady Diamond So Gorgeous coming from behind is the favorite Dancing Storms. And rounding the far turn, Spanish drums by a nose, running down on the inside, Amsterdam, and on the outside, Speed of Firm, Dancing Tide, Gundam So Gorgeous, Dancing Storms, racing from the outside. Last 450, Amsterdam, followed by Dancing Tide and Spanish drums from the outside. As they race the corner, Amsterdam, Dancing Tide down on the inside, is Spanish drums from the outside. So Gorgeous, Speed Up Firm, Gundam, Dancing Storm, Lady Diamond, with the last 100 meters more to run, Amsterdam, followed by Dancing Tide, and finally number 3, Amsterdam, Dancing Tide, Spanish drums, So Gorgeous, Speed Up Firm, Gundam, Dancing Storms,